Pagkatapos po, kung ang pera po ay nasa 4 na bag, tinutulungan po kami ng security guard ng Land Bank na isakay po sa sasakyan.
Okay, from Shaw Boulevard, saan niyo po dinala itong perang ito?
Sa office namin po, sa OBP office.
So by policy, because you maintain your position na hindi tumulong ang mga security guard sa pagkarga ng mga bag sa sasakyan nila Miss Acosta, you said that.
Yes, Your
By
Honor.
policy po ba, inaalaw po ba talaga ang mga security guard to help the clients carrying these bags?
No, Your Honor.
That is a matter of policy.
Yes, Your Honor.
And if the security guards will help the clients in carrying these bags contrary to your policy, ano pong mangyayari sa security guards?
Matatanggal po siya sa ano niya.
And
sa
I
ano
suppose that they're very much aware of this.
niya. Yes, Your Honor.
Would you know, ma'am, kung sino po itong mga security guards who were duty during that time?
May kasama po kami ngayong isa po.
May we know the name of these security guards?
Si Head Guard Nino Bora po.
Nandito po sila ngayon, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you please identify yourself, yung mga security guard po na nandito?
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I'm Nino Bora, security guard from Shaw Boulevard Branch.
How many security guards do we have here?
Your Honor, I'm Crisanto Lorena from different branch, from DepEd po.
From different branch. Okay. We have one.
So Nino Bora was the security guard at Shaw Boulevard Land Bank on December 20, 2022 when Miss Acosta encashed the 125 million check. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kayo po ang duty nung mag-encash si Miss Acosta.
Ako po yung duty pero hindi ko po maalala si Miss Acosta kasi normal po na maraming nag-withdraw po.
May naaalala po ba kayo na nung December 20 may tinulungan kayong kliyente para bitbitin ang bag?
Wala po.
Wala. Are you aware of that policy as shared by the bank manager? Alam niyo po ba yung polisiya ng bangko na ang mga security guard ay bawal tumulong sa pagbitbit ng bag?
100% po, yes.
100% you are aware.
Opo.
At kung humingi po ba sa inyo ng tulong, kunyari lang, si Miss Acosta, pakitulungan mo nga ako, bitbitin natin itong bag, ikarga natin sakyan. Tutulungan niyo po ba?
Hindi po.
Ano pong dahilan? Bakit hindi?
Kasi po yun yung utos ng aming manager po.
Because it is bawal.
Opo.
And if you go against the policy, what will happen to you?
Matatanggal po kami sa trabaho na.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Me read to you, Mr. Antonio, letter C, under section 11. Okay. Refusal to answer any relevant inquiry. So, Mr. Antonio, wala naman pong mawawala kung magsasabi po kayo ng katotohanan. Yun lang po, simple lang po yung tanong namin. Sino po yung kasama ninyo nung inilabas nyo po yung pera? Hindi nyo po pwedeng sabihin na land bank kasi mismong land bank na, dalawa sa kanila ang nagsabi, labag sa kanilang polisiye yon at yung mismong security guard at that time sinabi din na hindi daw po sila. At hindi naman po pwede na hindi nyo po maalala kung sino pong kasama ninyo kasi 125 million pesos po ang pinag-uusapan natin. Other than Miss Gina Acosta, who else were you with when you brought the money out?
It was me and Miss Gina Acosta who were present, but of course, we also had guards on duty. But ang nag-withdraw lang po ng money, it's Miss Gina and me.
So sino pa nga po yung ibang kasama? Yung po tinatanong ko, sino pa po yung ibang kasama ninyo?
In terms of kasama po, we also had VPSPG on duty that day and the driver.
Oh, there you go. It wasn't so hard, di ba? So can you name these individuals?
I'll have to recall, Your Honor, kung sino po yung mga guards on duty that day. Because as mentioned earlier po, the guards on duty at the office of the Vice President regularly rotates po.
So what you're telling me is, on those 4 occasions na naglabas kayo ng pera, ni isa sa mga taong nakasama ninyo, maliban kay Gina Acosta, hindi mo maalala kung sino?
I'll have to
Just one
recon-
person.
I'm just trying to recall po, Your Honor, kung if there are.
Mr. Chairman, ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito, kalahating bilyong piso. Pwede ba yun? Di mo alam kung sino yung nag-drive? Maski isang beses lang, sabi nyo 2 sasakyan kayo, hindi nyo alam kung sino nagmaneho? Hindi nyo alam kung sinong pangalan ng security? Pwede ba yun? Napaka-imposible po nun. That is very, I'm sorry, Mr. Tony, that is very hard to accept. I am of the position that you are purposely hiding the identities of these people for reasons I do not know. Number one, Land Bank already said it wasn't them that helped you push the trolleys. Maski sinabi mo na Land Bank, strike 1 ka na doon. Pangalawa, tinatanong kita kung sinong kasama mo. Ni isa, hindi mo maalala maliban kay Ms. Gina Acosta. Para naman napakahirap naman paniwalaan yon, Mr. Ortonio. Bigla naman kayo nagkaroon ng case of amnesia.
Your Honor, if my memory serves me right, one of the guards who was with us is, I just do not know yung kanyang, ano tawag nito? Yung kanyang position, yung kanyang title, yung rank niya, but it's Mr. Guerrero po, one of the drivers.
Colonel Lachiga, your excuse.
Mr. Chairman, 1 minute suspension.
1 minute suspension is declared by the chair.